folks, it's TGIF. We're down here at Delacroix, gonna give it a shot. Got a few clouds. We left a half an hour early. We left at 4:30. Wanted to get out a little bit early, catch that falling tide. And, big Rudy up front. Just finished untying the anchors, putting all the stuff away. We were ready. Sun coming up behind us over there. Pretty morning, nice and cool. Water temperature's 89.2. I'm sorry, check that. 85.2. Talking to Nikki, said that the white shrimp's supposed to open up next month, August. We go out to catching some white shrimp. Picked up all these crab traps because of the storm. So them guys got their hands full up there for these storms. Everything seems to work. We even got the tachometer hooked up when I went back to Cypress Cove. They got it all hooked up. There's all the crabbers gassing up, fueling up, getting that bait. Supposedly, transaction has taken place. Lionel's now belongs to another owner. I'm gonna stop on the way back and see if I can figure out what they're gonna do with it. And let everybody know. Meet the new owner. I'm kind of sad too that it happened. I've been down here so long with Lionel and Joan. It just doesn't seem normal coming down here and not going to be here anymore. Looks like a lot of people came down here and pulled their boats out. Just give a word. I think we just left ours down here. Nikki came down and put some extra lines on mine to hold it in place. But evidently nothing really major took place. Looks like we got a falling tide, folks. You can see the water beating up right there. It's falling pretty hard. I think we're going to have a tail end of a falling tide, and then it's supposed to turn around 10 o'clock. So we're going to head over to pay Jack Nevette and see what we can do. The sun's trying to come up. Like I said, we're about a half an hour early. Little Lake, we're running across Little Lake. Light as can be. Gorgeous, folks, gorgeous. Must be the calm after the storm, folks. Gorgeous out here. Don't know what the water looks like. The water's dropped 2 foot since yesterday. So, I mean, it could have it messed up a little bit. Let's see. It's sort of like glass. A mirror. Reflecting everything in the sky. Beautiful. What I enjoy about it more than anything. Going south like line, south. That's spot number 1 right there. When I first spot I ever fished coming out here right there. And this opening here just took place. That was all solid land. It broke through. Started out maybe a foot wide. Now it's about 25, 30 feet wide. This little island up here, that's spot number 2. That's spot number 2. That's the second place I ever fished. 8 feet of water, good shell bottom. Over here goes into Bay Batola. Yeah, Bay Batola, I think. Yeah, Bay Batola. Gorgeous out here today. Folks, we're in the honey hole and it's 6:38 or 6:30. 6:30 in the honey hole. That's a good sign. We got 2 birds working the area. Just 2 though. But they're diving on bait. They got bait here. Alright, Big Rudy got one, folks. I caught one with a catfish. Let's see what happens.
I know what we got. It doesn't feel big. And made a
The birds are diving out. We see shrimp jumping.
Kitty cat again?
And the kitty cat.
Another cat.
Gaff top, huh? Alright folks, you can see the birds are really in here now. They're really diving. Got shrimp jumping all over the place. All we caught is catfish, but once them reds move in, them catfish are going to leave. Gotta work our way through these kitty cats. Bird activity's picking up, folks. Got them diving out there. It's all shrimp. And all we catching is hardhead. See that shrimp? This is about a nice sized shrimp. All we catching is gaff tops and hardhead.
Catch underneath these.
Kitty cat, kitty cat. Another hardhead, folks. Alright, folks, we might have something besides the catfish this time. Watch this rope back here, yeah.
What we got here? What is that?
There you go.
What is it? Croaker?
Croaker.
Big croaker. Damn.
Throw them in the box. Been here about an hour, folks. Caught a bunch of catfish and one croaker. Species change with the croaker though, it's a good deal. Birds everywhere. Birds, birds, birds. We shift positions. Got in front of the birds. Nothing was doing downstream, so we're trying to upstream. We're sitting in 9 feet of water, and drop-off's about maybe 8-10 feet away from us. Another kitty cat.
Yep.
Yep.
Sail cat.
The water's about a 2, man. On clarity.
Like a nice red.
Big Rudy got one, folks.
Sounds like a big red, yes. I see him on the end. He came up to the surface. Nice red.
What's the net?
Yeah.
Watch the pole. Alright, folks, my man up front got him a nice one.
Nice red, yeah.
They got shrimp jumping here, they got the pogies jumping here. The birds are all over the place.
Nice red.
That's all we're doing, letting the current take it and doing like that, folks. And when it goes back, they hit it.
Kind of hit it and let it go.
He's on there now. Look, I got one now. Look.
Hit it and let it go.
He's got one.
So, and then leave it down there long enough, the reds will get it.
What you got, Mr. Root? Root toot toot.
I got a red. Oh, a big cat. I thought I had a red.
Big cat, too. Alright, folks, we got another double. Man up front's got one. I got one back here. I think his is bigger than mine, though. Alright, folks, y'all can see that water moving in. See the current? And the grass is coming to us. So we moved the boat. We got the front of the bird. The bird's left. What we're doing is we're just throwing out and then jerking it back and forth up that current. Alright, folks, the flounder started biting. That's the second one. And that means species change, means nothing's going to bite anymore.
Oh,
Pop the line. Alright, folks, we're on our way home. We stopped fishing around 10 o'clock. What happened was, you know, we got out there at 6:30. First redfish was caught at 8:04. From 8:04 to about 8:50, we caught all the fish. Then we caught a couple of flounders and we shut down. And flounders, once you catch flounders, it's over with. So we ran over to number 6 to give it a try, but it was too strong. The current was too strong. We caught a bunch of gaff tops, a whole bunch, about 15. And as long as you're catching gaff tops, I think you're in good shape, because the trout and other fish will school with those. It's just when you get them catfish, man, you know, the hardhead, that's the time to move. But them gaff tops are fun today. Anyway, we got 21 reds, 15 gaff tops, probably 8 hardheads, 8 croakers, and I think that's it. slow day. Anyway, it was a good trip. Down here at Delacroix. Big Rudy and Oneofthepack. Alright folks, got a nice mess of fish. We're going to give them away on the way back to the house.